Hey everyone, Mark Ramsey here at the Collision Center, Karl Chevrolet in Stuart. I've been with Karl Chevrolet 8 years now. I worked in the Ankeny Collision Center, was the body shop foreman for a period of time, the detail center, and then moved down to the Glidden commercial body shop. I ran it for the last 4.5 years as the manager there. Thank you for giving us an opportunity to serve you. We want you to know, first of all, that we're going to do all the legwork. We have a gold certified shop, top level you can have as far as certifications for body shops. We also have a brand new facility, paintless dent repair. We do glass work. All these things that are part of a repair, we do here in-house. I'm just coming into this shop and I am on occasion finding customers who their level of service is not what it could have been or should have been. To those customers, if you're out there, first thing I want you to know is I live in Adel. I'm from the local area. So you guys are my family and friends. If you've been to this shop and you have had a problem and you don't have that problem resolved, I want you to come and see me. I want to take care of that problem. I want to get it taken care of the right way so that next time you have an issue, you can still come back and see us and know that your issue is going to be addressed, your car's going to be fixed properly, and you're going to get it back and you're going to be happy about it. This is only one part of our dealership. If you give us a chance, you're going to find out this is your dealer for life.